Right, so Baxi got in touch a few weeks ago. They wanted us to install one of their new Combi 2s a few weeks before the launch. Give it a test, see what we thought. First job up, get it all decommissioned. So we just drained everything off, got everything disconnected, got the old boiler out. And once that was out of the way, we had to find out where the pipe work was running in the wall. So it's an 800 we fit in. That's standard. It comes with an 80 Magna Clean. Preform pipes and your isolation valves are standard. Got your built-in filling loop and your wall bracket, and of course you can pre-plumb it at the back. They have put a cap in the flue, so make sure you take that out. And all the packaging is recyclable. It's all cardboard, but it's still nice and robust. There's no polystyrene now. An LPG, few parameter changes, just the gas valve, and that's it. So with the new range, you got the Combis 600 and 800. Then will come in 24, 30 or 36 kilowatts. And with the 600 system, you get that in 15, 18 and 24 kilowatts. And the 800 system, you can get that in 18, 24 kilowatts. And new is you can get a 30 kilowatt system boiler. So if you've got a large property, they've got you covered. So you've got a vary kilowatt rating there for different boilers, different systems. Then just getting all that pipe work in place, ready to hang the boiler. Hopefully that should be spot on with our preform pipes. Now the boiler's still lightweight, it's still under 30 kilograms, and it'll fit in a 290mm deep cupboard. The PRV is different as well, it's just a push fit. There you go, that's it in, ready to be piped up now. So installation wise, nothing's changed, it's still nice and easy to install. So we're just cutting down all the pipe work now, connecting it all up. Now the cold and the return, we brought them lower down, and so we can get the filter on the return, get alarm scavengers on the cold. Now on your cold water, it's a good idea to fit a shock arrestor. Even if your system doesn't need one, it will future-proof your installation. This one already had one on, so we didn't need to get one in. See here, we're just going to connect the filling loop up. That's an easy fill, permanent filling loop. So you can leave that in place, really easy for your customer to fill up, really easy to install. The moment you've all been waiting for, let's take a look inside, see what they've done. On the left hand side, see the diverter has changed, that's still on a clip, nice and easy to remove. Brass hydraulics still. And if we look up at the exchanger, that's different, but it's still 4 nuts. Disconnect your gas valve, take the electrics off, and you can get in there nice and easy to do full strip down service. The trap's slightly different, it's got the flow pipe actually running through it, so it's preheated, helps prevent freezing, and the PRV is really clever, it's got a built-in drain valve. Twist that yellow nut, will drain the boiler without disturbing the PRV. Of course, it's still got a stainless steel heat exchanger. Looking at the electrics, then we've changed as well, so I'm on blocks now, so you can pull them plugs out to wire up your boiler. It's all colour coded. You see on the left there, you got open, firm, and your outdoor sensor. So if you've got them type of controls, I guarantee it will work with this boiler. The electric's dead easy to wire up. Live neutral air first, plug that back in, and the switches there, pull it out, wire that in, plug it back in. So it's nice and simple. So when you first power it on, it'll come up in initialization, show you the version number it's on. Then it'll come up de-air, which is de-aeration. So what the boiler's doing now, it's getting all the air out the exchanger, getting all the air out the system. Just let it do its things, no way to bypass it, just let it get all the air out. Now we did do a Magna cleanse as well, got some nibiter in there. With the 800, you fit the filter, you get a 10-year warranty. When you commission, install the 2 left-hand buttons that come up L for low fire. 1 turn the hot water dial, come up little H, that's your heating kilowatts. 1 more turn the hot water dial, come up capital H, that's your hot water kilowatts for your high fire. So yeah, we just finished fitting it, and to be fair, it was no different from fitting its predecessor. Now they've made some tweaks inside to the boiler. Combining the PRV and the drain off is a brilliant idea. So when you go to drain the boiler, just a quick twist and it drains down. Having the preheated siphonic trap, that's another great addition. Do like about Baxi boilers, when you buy one, it's got everything in there. The 800 series, it's got the filter, it's got the filling loop, and you can pre-plumb it at the back. So there's no additional extras to buy, it's there ready in a box to fit. The tweaks that they've made that inside the boiler, the PRV position's changed. That's going in between the domestic hot water and the flow. But other than that, everything else is just changed for the better. So when Baxi thought of this boiler, there wasn't trying to cause a revolution. It was just an evolution of a great boiler. So honest opinions from us, there's nothing in there that we don't like. We did think about it, we thought something we could criticise about it, something they've changed that we didn't like, but they haven't. Now a lot of people don't like change, but all the change on this and for the better, still the same great Baxi boiler, just, well, Baxier.